Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting LeetCode problem number 392 called is subsequence. In this video, I will first explain the problem in simple words with examples. Then we will walk step by step through the solution in C++, understanding the logic behind it, and finally test it out. So let's dive right in. The problem says you are given two strings, S and T. Our task is to return true if S in subsequence of T or false otherwise. Now, what is a subsequence? A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some characters without changing the relative order of the remaining characters. Let's look at the examples for more understanding. Example 1. If S is equals to ABC and T is equals to ahbgdc, notice that we can take the letters A, B and C from T in order. So S is indeed of a subsequence of T. Example 2. If S is equals to AXC and T is equals to ahbgdc, there is no way to take letters A, X and C in order from T. So the answer is false. So basically, we need to check each strings of S in order, see if appears in T at a right relative position. If we can find all characters of S in order in it, T with true, return true, and otherwise return false. Now that we understand the problem, let's walk through the C++ solution step by step and see how it works. Here we define a class solution and inside it function is subsequence that takes two strings s and t and returns a boolean true if s is a subsequence of t, false otherwise. We use two pointers I and j for s, I for s and j for t. We start both pointers at 0. We loop until either I reaches at the end of S or J reaches at the end of T. Inside the loop, we check if S of I matches T of J. If it does, we move I to the next characters in S. Regardless, we always move J to the next characters in T. After the loop, if I has reached the at the end of S, it means all characters of S were found in order in T. So we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Now that the code is ready, let's test it with examples we discussed earlier to ensure it works properly. For S is equals to ABC and T is equals to AHBGDC, the pointer I will move as we find each matching character in a T. All characters of S are found in order, so the result is true. For S is equals to AXC and T is equals to AHBGDC, the pointer I stops before reaching at the end of S because X is missing in the right position, so the result is false. So perfect. The code works for all cases we have tested. And that's how we solve the problem is subsequence. We first understood the problem with example, then use the two-pointer approach to check if S is a subsequence of T. I hope this explanation made the problem simple and clear for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more coding walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.